In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and use a custom font in Polotno Studio. First, open your web browser and head to studio.polotno.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the tools on the left-hand panel appear. Before we start, a quick tip. Make sure your font file is already downloaded to your computer and that you have the right to use it. Many fonts require a license for commercial projects, so it's always good to check. If your font came in a zip file, unzip it so you can access the actual .ttf or .otf file inside. On the left-hand side, find and click the text section. This is where you manage and style all your text elements. At the top of the text panel, look for the My Fonts tab and click it. This area is dedicated to fonts you bring into your project, keeping them separate from the default library so they're easier to find later. Next, click the Upload Font button. A file picker window will open, showing the folders on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved your font. You're looking for a .ttf or .otf file. Both are common font formats and work well in Polotno Studio. If you see multiple weights, like regular, bold, or italic, you can upload each one to have full styling control. Select the font file you want and click Open. Polotno Studio will process the upload, and within a moment your custom font will appear in the list under My Fonts. If you don't see it right away, wait a few seconds or try clicking back into the My Fonts tab to refresh. Large files or unusual font formats can take a bit longer. Now that your font is available, you can use it in any text element. Add a text box from the text panel or select an existing one on your canvas. Open the font dropdown and choose your newly uploaded font from the My Fonts section. You'll see the text instantly update. From here, adjust size, color, spacing, and alignment to match your design. If your font includes multiple weights you uploaded, you can switch between them to get the exact look you want. If the font doesn't apply correctly, double check that you uploaded the .ttf or .otf file and that it wasn't still inside a zip. You can also try re-uploading or refreshing the page. And remember, for consistent results across projects, keep your font files organized so you can quickly find and upload them whenever you need. That's it, your custom font is ready to use in Polotno Studio.